Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a little makeup tutorial for you of a super easy everyday eyeshadow look for blonde hair and blue eyes that's not involving brown. Pink eyeshadow look for blonde hair, blue eyes, pink purple eyeshadow look. It's super easy. We're only using 2 eyeshadow brushes. We're using 1 palette. I do this every single day. It's really quick. It makes your blue eyes pop. Super easy eyeshadow look for blonde hair and blue eyes, okay? I always search up like how to make blue eyes pop, and all I see is like brown eyeshadow everywhere. No hate to brown, you know, neutral looking eyeballs, but I'm sick of it, okay? I need something else. And I have this peachy look on today that I'm gonna show you easily how to make, okay? I get compliments on my eyeshadow all the time of like what palette I use and you know what shades I use and stuff like that. My blue eyes, they do be popping, okay? So let's get right into it. If you guys like this video, please subscribe. I put new videos out every single Thursday for you. Let's get into it, okay? Okay. Hello everyone. Okay, I have my little face here. I've already done my face makeup because that doesn't really matter. So today we're going to be doing a little bit of a purple eyeshadow look for blondes, a lilac peachy tone on our eyes to make our blue eyes pop, baby. Okay, so today the palette I'm going to be using is this Huda Nude palette. We're only using 3 colors from this palette. As you can see, I'm literally like almost used up this perfect color for blue eyes, fair skin, and blonde hair. It's called Play. It's like a peachy kind of neutral color, but it's definitely got a more like a peachy undertone. Lace here. I also sometimes use Tickle, but lace is what I've been using recently. We're gonna use this on like the out corner of our eyes. It's like a lilac-y purple eyeshadow. Then we're gonna be using this eyeshadow down here called Tease. It's like a purpley brown color, and we're gonna be using this like right on our lash line pretty much, okay? So let's get into it. Basically, I just take a brush like this, like a packing brush, and I literally just put it on my whole eye. I don't have any like base eyeshadow primer on my eye. I just put like concealer and foundation on my eye pretty much. Put it literally all over my eye, up here, in the morning, up here, everywhere. We're gonna do like a nice base. All right, I'm gonna use the same brush, and then I go in with lace. See a lace situation here, lace. This one kind of goes here, like in the outside of the eye. And these colors blend so well together that it literally does not even matter if you don't know what you're doing. And it makes your eyes pop, I'm telling y'all. Okay, then you kind of bring it over like this. I like this brush because you're like, it blends in the crease and slightly above the crease. So it kind of like feathers it out really easily, which is nice. See, look at that. We got some peachy flavors going on in there. See? Bam, that's the base of our situation here. All right, so next we're gonna take this brush here. It's like a eyebrow brush, but I don't know, I use it for eyeshadow. So we're gonna basically line our eyes here, okay? So you just kind of pack it in. We're using this shade here, Tease. If you have this eyeshadow palette or something similar, there's different formulas of eyeshadow. So like these ones are more powdery, other ones are really like thicker. Like it's easier to like, you could draw a line on your face with it pretty much. So I use thicker eyeshadow formulas to line my eyes. So I kind of do both my eyes at the same time so I can get them as even as possible. Pack it on your lash line. It's really easy. It's okay if it's like a little like, you know, messy, because when we wear mascara you won't be able to tell. Some people go all the way across into their waterline and that's where they like to have it, but I do not do that. This one was a little too thick, so we're just gonna take a Q-tip and thin it out a little bit. And then the piece de resistance, I take a highlighter. You can use any highlighter you want, and I take my finger. The warmth from your finger blends eyeshadow right into your skin. So see, like if I use it on a brush and I go like that, it will like, it's nice, like the color goes on, but look when I use my finger. I get like a bunch of my finger and then I just pack it right on. I don't go up here, I just go right on the actual eyelid, halfway. I do halfway. So if you went too far here, or if you like went too high up with the darker eyeshadow, this is perfect because it literally just covers it right up. And then I take the same brush, literally this is like a 2-brush makeup tutorial, and I kind of clean up the crease. We just don't want the sparkle to go too high, and then I kind of just blend it in on the sides, and this really makes your eyes pop. If your eye wing is like too thick, or if you want to just clean it up, you can take a brush with some concealer. You just kind of clean it like that and you are good to go, okay? All right, we're pretty much done the eyeshadow look. So this is what it looks like here. We haven't added any like mascara or anything like that, but we are going to do that now, okay? We're just gonna curl our lashes, by the way. I'm so sick of using, also I know this is really dirty, don't come for me. I'm just so sick of using like browns on my eyes. I don't know, I just feel like I can't make it work for me, even though everyone's saying like, oh my gosh, like brown shades are like the best thing for blue eyes, but like I'm so sick of it. I want something different. I want more color in my life, especially for like summer and spring, you feel me? See how I'm curling from like the ends of my eyelashes, and then like girl, we want these to be sky high. We want these to be 100%. We don't want no obtuse right angle situations up in here. We want nice fluttery lashes. Okay, so now I'm basically just gonna let my lashes sit for a bit, and then I'm gonna curl them again, because once you curl them the first time, they kind of like sloop down, and you gotta curl them again and then put mascara on. Okay, so I'll be right back. My holy grail mascara that I use every single day that I absolutely love is the waterproof telescopic L'Oreal mascara. It holds your lashes like freaking crazy all day, and I would literally not trade this for $1 million. I love it. I love it. I've tried high-end, low-end, anything. This is my favorite mascara, let alone just waterproof mascara. It's my favorite mascara. We're gonna be generously applying this to our lashes today. And the best thing about wearing eyeshadow when it comes to mascara, like when you get your mascara on your eyeshadow, it just comes right off with a Q-tip. I love the difference mascara makes. It's like night and day, baby, night and day. And we're gonna do another coat, so when you leave them, make sure you leave them how you like them, because they will start to dry like this. So make sure there's no like clumpos happening, okay? I also have like a separator mascara. Not sure if this is a common thing that people have, but I do, and I separate my clumpos with that. It's just like a mascara that's old and there's pretty much nothing left, so I just use it to separate my clumps, and then we go in again with another coat. Might work good enough. Okay, now we're gonna take the Q-tip and just kind of go like this, and see, it just cleans it right off. Amazing. Loving. To make your lash line appear thicker, we're gonna take a black eyeliner and line the waterline here. If your eye waters when you do it, your eye just has to get used to it. It might look really weird and it might feel weird, but oof, it makes a big difference, trust me. And yeah, they're pretty much done, boy. Alright, so this is the final look. I really hope this is looking good, you know. Alright, so this is the final eyeshadow look for blue eyes and blonde hair, not using brown, super easy, 2 brushes. Got some pink, we have some purple, you know, peachy tones on our eyes. It makes our blue eyes pop, sweetie. And I really hope you guys like it. It's a good like spring, summer style makeup, because I love pink. I love pink on my eyes. I love how it makes my eyes look. Really hope you guys like this and enjoy it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, because I put up videos every single Thursday for you to watch. Thank you guys again for watching this video, and I'll see you on Thursday, okay? Okay, bye.